Now you can save animated GIF files or GIF files right away from your Save As options. It's now supported there. Simply you can go to File, selecting Save As, save on your computer, and from formats you can select GIF or GIF. Then you can save that one. And from here you can quickly customize your GIF file. However, I don't really like these options. I like to have more controls over my file. So instead I will be always selecting, let's cancel that first, go to File, Export, and I'll be selecting that one, Save for Rip. Especially for these kind of files, I have more controls in here. I can compare between original file size and what I'm really going after in that case. So here we have almost 900 kilobytes instead of 7.6 megabytes. And you can even take that to lower file sizes by tweaking some sliders and options in here. And you can instantly see how that is affecting your file size.